Imagine being transported to the depths of the ocean with no submarines and ships, but in the comfort of your vehicle driving through the depths of the ocean. Well, that is exactly what we have here today. This is an underwater tunnel built by none other than China, and we are going to take a closer look at the extraordinary tale of China's triumph beneath the waters of South Asia. So, get ready for a journey that goes beyond the ordinary. This is the Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman tunnel project as you've never experienced before. In Chittagong City, this revolutionary project emerges beneath the flowing currents of the Karnal River, the Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman Tunnel Project. It is an engineering beauty by China Communications Construction Group, which cost $7.58 billion. The Karnal River Tunnel is not just the first of its kind in South Asia, but in the entire world, breaking ground in underwater infrastructure that has never been imagined before. At a staggering length of 9.3 kilometers and a design speed of 80 kilometers per hour, this underwater giant is no ordinary passageway. With 2 holes, 4 lanes, and a shield tunnel section spanning 2,450 meters, this engineering spectacle is a gateway to a future where connectivity knows no constraints. But what sets it apart? It's not just the numbers, it's the embodiment of China's commitment to pushing the boundaries of what's deemed possible. A journey through the Karnal River Tunnel is more than a commute, it's a transformative experience. Local officials, recognizing its importance, christened it the Father of the Nation Tunnel. The outer diameter, a commanding 11.8 meters, and an inner diameter of 10.8 meters speak volumes about the engineering precision invested in this colossal structure. Its impact is immediate, a reduction in travel time from 3 hours to a mere 10 minutes for Chittagong residents. This tunnel erases historical divides between the West Bank's prosperity and the East Bank's forgotten suburb. This colossal beast weighs over 2,200 tons and boasts a diameter of 12.12 meters. This behemoth is a product of cutting-edge engineering from Jianggu, China. In March 2018, the Shield machine, tailored for the Karnal River Tunnel, rolled off the production line, marking a historic moment in South Asian engineering. Transported to the project site by sea, this machine's dimensions alone set it apart. A length of 94 meters, a diameter of 12.12 meters, and a weight surpassing 2,200 tons. As it navigated complex strata, from soft at the top to hard at the bottom, the machine's precision excavation showcased China's mastery of tunneling technology. The journey, however, was not without its challenges. The team faced major construction hurdles, from technical challenges to the impacts of the global epidemic and shortages in raw materials for tunnel construction. Yet, against the odds, the China Communications Construction Group Company Limited team demonstrated resilience, ensuring the Shield machine's 180-degree rotation, conquering one obstacle after another. This South Asian expedition also marked a groundbreaking export for China, the first super-large diameter Shield machine exported overseas. This goes to show that this project was more than a tunneling project, but also brought the flames of Chinese technology to the rest of the world. Representatives from Bangladesh, skeptical of Chinese equipment, were invited to witness firsthand the marvels of Chinese tunnel projects. It wasn't just a showcase, it was an immersion into the depth of China's engineering capabilities. The doubts that lingered like shadows were replaced with newfound confidence, as the Bangladeshi delegation witnessed the relentless dedication and innovative solutions provided by the Chinese engineers. However, the story doesn't end there. The youth-led Chinese project team, predominantly born in the 80s and 90s, emerged not only unscathed, but with an impeccable safety record. Safety concerns were squashed, proving that China's young minds are not just capable, but trustworthy custodians of complex projects. This testament to youthful competence laid to rest any reservations about the viability of such a dynamic team. Yet, as the project unfolded, another layer of skepticism emerged: doubts about the construction of communication channels between tunnels. Despite the smaller scale, the risks were monumental, and the difficulty levels were off the charts. According to the design plan, 3 communication channels between tunnels were to be opened, with the deepest one reaching almost 50 meters. Dive below 50 meters, freeze the surrounding soil and water, and only then could construction commence. Between May and October 2022, the team overcame this intricate challenge, completing the 3 communication channels one after another. The success of this endeavor marked a pivotal point in the project, clearing the most significant hurdle. With the channels completed, the tunnel's fate was sealed. When it comes to tunnel construction, communication channels are notorious pain points, known for their high risks and complexity. The success of this undertaking not only showcased the project's engineering prowess, but also demonstrated China's commitment to conquering challenges head-on. There are over 20,000 tunnel segments that represent the backbone of the Carnail River Tunnel. Each segment weighs nearly 12 tons and is a masterpiece of engineering. All produced in China by the China Communications Construction Company, these segments are more than just components. They represent a new era of streamlined, computer-controlled manufacturing. From Shanghai Port, they embarked on a 3,500-kilometer journey, crossing the South China Sea and the Strait of Malacca before finally reaching the shores of Chittagong in Bangladesh. The particular production process, controlled entirely by computers, ensures not just quality but also efficiency. The segments were carefully inspected and accepted by supervisors and overseas owners, delivering top-notch quality in every element of the project. More than 20,000 of these pieces fit together like a puzzle, creating not just a tunnel but a conduit that bridges historical divides. What makes these segments even more remarkable is their role in the broader context of the 21st century maritime Silk Road. Nestled at the intersection of this crucial trade route, the Carnail River Tunnel becomes more than just a local project. It transforms into a key player in the interconnected network of nations, contributing to the broader vision of the Belt and Road Initiative. The historical inconveniences of relying on ferry transportation tethered the city's growth, creating disparities that echoed across the Taiwan Strait. However, with the emergence of the Carnail River Tunnel, a new era emerges. Residents who once endured a 3-hour journey to traverse the river now revel in a mere 10-minute commute. The tunnel becomes a lifeline, a conduit that not only slashes travel time but also knits together the fabric of a city torn between prosperity and neglect. Chittagong, the largest port city in Bangladesh, takes a quantum leap towards unity, propelled by the Carnail River Tunnel. The significance of this transformation lies not just in inconvenience but in economic vibrancy. The West Bank, in proximity to the port area, becomes the pulsating heart of Chittagong's economic prosperity. The East Bank, once a forgotten suburb, awakens to newfound opportunities. The disparities diminish as the city's economy integrates, fostering a synergy that echoes beyond regional boundaries. Data reveals the pivotal role of Chittagong in Bangladesh's international trade and industrial output. With 80% of the country's international trade and 40% of its industrial production emanating from Chittagong, the urgency for the Carnail River Tunnel becomes apparent. The narrative of urgency deepens as the Carnail River Tunnel becomes a linchpin in the Bangladesh, China, India, Myanmar economic corridor. This underwater marvel, situated at the crossroads of the 21st century maritime Silk Road, transforms into a vital link in the joint construction of the Belt and Road Initiative. Beyond national boundaries, it becomes a conduit for international development, propelling Bangladesh into a new era of connectivity. The completion of the Carnail River Tunnel is not just a local success story, it's a chapter in the broader tale of the Asian highway network. It positions itself as a catalyst for improved connectivity between Bangladesh and its neighboring nations. As we stand at the intersection of progress, let the Carnail River Tunnel be recognized not just as an engineering triumph, but as a harbinger of a future where connectivity knows no bounds. Chittagong, once divided, now pulses with economic vibrancy, thanks to the Carnail River Tunnel's transformative impact. That's the uniqueness of this underwater tunnel. Thank you for joining us on this riveting journey. If you enjoyed this episode, then hit the like and subscribe button. We would also love to hear from you, so head over to the comments section and share your thoughts. Until next time, bye!